He is the founder and the CEO of the ACE Ambition.
He is founder and CEO of ACE Ambition.
He's an awesome entrepreneur. He mentors young men and women too.
ACE Ambition!
Today, Dominique Bond gave an amazing speech about entrepreneurship.
Okay, we have back with us Mr. Dominique Bond, founder and CEO of ACE Ambition.
Our speaker for today, Mr. Dominique Bond.
All right, so I'm gonna need about 16 people. All right, we're gonna play a game real quick. Come on up, we're gonna play a game. And the winner of this game is gonna win a prize. Come up, I don't care, I just need 4 people to come up real quick. We're gonna have different rounds. After these 4 are done, we're gonna have another 4 that's gonna come up. Another 4, and then we got another 4, all right? That's how we're gonna do it. All right? Just stack the cup, just like one at a time. One at a time until the blue cup is shown. All right? If you mess around and do 2 cups, that's a no-go. You gotta put it back and do 1 cup at a time until the blue cup is showing. Everybody understand? Any questions? Any questions out here? Y'all good? No cheating. All right? I'm gonna say go, and y'all gonna start. Ready, set, go. All right, team, right? All right.
I present to you Dominique Bond.
All right, so I'm gonna break the rules a little. I just need 5 participants. I'm gonna organize you. I love to use demonstration. You know how to count, okay? And you need to know your multiples of 3. All right, cool. They all know that. All right, so it should be no excuse. 3 rules. Now the name of this game is called Count to 33. Y'all say count to 33.
Count to 33.
All right, rule number 1. If your number has a 3 in it, you're gonna clap in place of that number. All right, next rule. If your number is a multiple of 3, you're gonna also clap in place of that number. Rule number 3 is the best rule of all. You mess up, we start back over.
Okay.
But we all, any questions? All right, Stacey, it's on you.
1, 2.
So what they demonstrated was my entrepreneurship journey. I had to always collect myself. I was worrying about the pace of others. And with this day and age, we got so many distractions now, and a lot of people don't like to admit it. Just because you got a rough start, does not mean you can't be successful at the end. We allow a rough start to determine how successful you're gonna be at the end. No matter how fast and how slow they completed that task, they still gonna get what? That $5 at the end. But it's a marathon. We gotta take our time. Failures does not determine your destiny. And since we're not taking our time and going at some other people's pace, now we have to stop and we have to start back over. We got a bad habit of writing ourselves off when God already put us on. It's okay for us to pause and collect where we're at. It's okay while we're making our goals, while we're making our vision board and crossboard over the course of the year to go back to our goals and make some adjustments. How many of you all are going to allow your rough childhood or how you grew up or your mistakes or your failures to determine how far you're going to go in life? That's why I love this game. Because a lot of times how we respond to the game is how we respond in life. Everything's so smooth. We dropping cups. The cups don't go down so smooth. We fumbling. But in our minds, I want to know, what are you registering in your mind? Are you telling yourself you still got a chance? Or are you telling yourself, you know what, I already lost? I want to know, how well are you going to respond to a test? Sometimes God is just going to test us just to see how well we're going to respond to it. We don't want to watch NBA players who don't even give 100%. all respect for them to define your life. How many of you all are allowing your failures to determine how far you're going to go in life? How many of you all are allowing your rough childhood to define who you are? How many of you all are allowing these hardships to dictate how successful you will make in this world? That is the question I want to leave for you all. My name is Dominique Bond. Don't you're gonna do like these guys did. They gonna look at us. My name is Dominique Bond. I hope you